Okay, so it's time to make a QR code that you can paste on your portfolio. Before we create the APK that we're going to use, I'd like you to go to Project Properties. Check that app name right there. Make sure your name is there, as well as the icon. Make sure you have a square, small PNG right there. You can upload it from here and or choose it. Once it's there, if you're like, oh, my app is not very good, I don't think it's ready yet, you can take the icon off, not delete the file, but make it none, so we know ahead of time that there is some work left to be done. Now, I feel like this one is pretty complete, so I'm going to choose one of my several icons I have and close that out. So I'm going to build the APK now. Sadly disappointed. All right. Okay, so let's download that APK now. It'll just take a second. You can see it happen right up here. I like to just use this button right here to go and open it up. Now remember, the date code is going to be how you can tell what the latest version is. Which one is the good one? So I'm going to type 2505.15. So it's right at the beginning. And I'm going to put this in MIT App Inventor folder. Now remember, nobody can get to this file here. We need to put it somewhere where everyone is allowed to get it. Your portfolio files do not delete. I'm going to do a file upload of my most recent. Now that's quick access, not the place to go. Go to App Inventor Project folder and make sure you're getting the right one. Check that date. Now these are older APKs. I recommend just clearing them out. Whenever you've got a better one, delete the others so you just have one that's the latest, best version. You can get the link here. You can also right click and go to share and copy the link that way. And now we need to make the QR code. You can search for it. It's on Data Tech Studio. It's on the assignment. You can also just say the QR code generator. We're looking for that word "the" to get the one that's the easiest to use from what I've seen. There it is, the QR code generator. Because all you have to do is paste the link and save or download the image. You will not be turning in the untitled file name. So 2505.15. Put your last name and first name. I'm using Brandon's as an example. Once again, that's in the downloads folder. So let's move it out of there so that we can use it to put on the QR code and for turning in on the assignment. You can put it in your digital portfolio project folder, or you can put it in your MIT App Inventor folder. I have a lot of folders, so let me go up here. App Inventor project folder. There it is. I've got my two files. One is the APK. Don't upload that one. I'm just looking for this PNG.